Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum S10. And to do this we'll need to first click on our app and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll all the way down and here we can find delete device, select it and then OK. Here it will remove the robot from the app, and next thing we want to do is on the robot itself. Now make sure that it's powered on and
vacuuming and mopping on is starting.
Yep.
Vacuuming and mopping is paused.
And mine is powered on, as you just heard. We need to press on the power key and volume and the home key at the same time to reset all Wi-Fi connection.
Resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
And that is how you reset this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.